A gateway is a network point that acts as an entrance to another network using different protocol. So to understand gateway, first of all we have to understand protocol. Protocol is a rule, guideline, small datagram which travels over the network with the help of router, and when data packet travel from one network to the another network, then we need gateway. Now a bridge is a repeater with add no functionality of filtering contents by reading the addresses of source and destination. Bridge actually remove traffic from the internet. It separates different networks data, source address and destination address. Bridge separates, and bridge remove traffic from the networks, and that is why data travels freely over the networks. Now we will understand type of network. Type of networks that LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN, CAN, we have to understand. First, local area network. So local area network, LAN is the basic building block of any computer network. LAN can range from 2 computers connected by a cable to hundreds of connected computers and peripherals in a big corporation. So understand LAN. So if we establish connection of 2 computers, 10 computers and 100 computers, then these all computers can share data and peripheral devices to communicate to each other. So local area network we establish for sharing data and hardware devices. For example, when suppose we have 1 GB data in this computer, then we can see that data in all these computers, but it will consume only 1 GB. But if you are not using a LAN, then you have to separately store 1 GB data in each computer, and that will occupy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 GB. It means LAN saves our data, share the data and hardware, all these things we can share. Suppose one printer we have, then we can give printout to all from all these computers by using a single printer. So LAN is very beneficial, and this is the small campus area network, and this network is faster, 100 Mbps its speed remains, which is very fast, and LAN is very less cost effective. LAN we can establish easily with the help of hub and switch. We can connect LAN and we can use. Second is WAN, wide area network, and you know very well WAN, wide area network, is a global network. A large network is called a wide area networks. In a WAN we can connect LAN, MAN and different types of WAN. WAN is a global networks. It can connect computers and other devices on opposite side of the world. An example of WAN is internet. Internet is a